What?
I don't like your mood. Why do you have to change your mind?
Change my mind? Really? Well, if you can't see when someone don't want you in their place, I do, okay? She doesn't want you to be here, okay? I'm done. I'm leaving.
No, it's not what you think. It is not what you think.
Is that what I think?
Yes.
Really?
That's my sister you're talking about.
I know she's your sister.
You just have to calm down.
Listen, she doesn't want to see me. Neither the husband. So I'm leaving, okay? That doesn't stop anything, okay? I still love you, I still like you, but look, I am done having anything to do in this place.
No, please. Babe, you have to take it easy. Oh. Babe, honey.
No, don't just tell me that. Don't tell me that. Eh? This is not right. This is the height of irresponsibility. How can your sister, your elder sister, who's supposed to be your role model, and your mother that you're seeing, bring that rascal to my house, to our house?
Babes, he's just a friend she met at our anniversary party. That's it.
Please, I don't need any explanations to this. This is...
Baby. With your bags?
I had everything. I had everything. It is obvious my stay in this house is no longer needed. I have overstayed my welcome in this house. I need to leave. At least thank God I have a shelter in the village.
Big sis, come on. It has not got into this.
It has got.
Moreover, my husband is right. You can't just invite someone into his home without his consent. A stranger at that.
I am old enough, please. I am old enough to do whatever I wish to do without anybody's consent. So don't tell me that.
True.
The stranger you were talking about. I met the same stranger at your wedding anniversary. So what are you talking about? You were the one advising me to loosen up myself and mingle with men. Now I have done that, you are complaining. Why? I need to leave,
okay,
please.
Sis, please. Big sis, please just hear me out. I'm sorry. I am sorry on behalf of my husband. I am sure he said everything he said out of anger. He didn't mean it.
He was just angry.
Okay, fine. Sorry. I'll talk to my husband. We'll resolve this. It has not got into you carrying your bags and leaving my house. Come on.
You were telling me he said everything out of anger, right?
Yes.
I can't stay in your house anymore.
Sis, come on.
I need to leave.
Big sis, if I were the one doing this, then I would understand. But not you. You should know better. How can you just be leaving my house like that? At least you should have asked me. Say something to me. If you're angry, tell me. In that way, I would have spoken to my husband so such thing won't repeat itself. Please. Let's go. It's my husband that spoke to you, not me.
Hey babe, I've been waiting. Please, where are you? Alright, you have to start coming now, please. I'm tired of waiting now. How about? Alright, it's fine.
Hey!
You scared me.
I got you. You didn't see that coming, right?
No.
You look so beautiful today.
Thank you.
Come in.
Meanwhile, what took you so long? Because I've been waiting.
So sorry I kept you waiting. Traffic was much.
It's fine.
Wait, are you doing malt?
Of course I am.
Don't worry, okay, I'll get you something good.
Alright.
Okay, what do you care for?
I'm kind of hungry, so you can...
Don't worry, okay? I know what I'll get for you, okay? I'll get you something good. Okay? Who is there? Waiter! What do you have? Jollof rice, chicken, salad. I know you don't like that. 2 plates. Yeah, 2 plates.
Love is beautiful, I tell you, it's so meaningful. Love is everything now. It feels like heaven on earth. It's like once upon a time, there's a king and a queen. Baby, our stories will be told. Everybody's gonna know how much I love you.
Oh, please.
I want you to stay, okay?
Love is a beautiful thing, no.
Take it.
Love is a wonderful thing. Every
Would you
day
like
feels
to
like
play?
Christmas.
Sure.
Be assured that
It's
we'll be
actually
your
very
assistants.
delicious.
Anytime you need me, I'm gonna be here.
Same here.
Baby, you're the reason why I the blue guy. What more do I need?
Didi,
I have a queen in you, and I'm your king. This love is made in you.
there is something I want us to talk about.
Nobody can break this bond.
Alright, what is it?
So what do you say about love again? It's all
It's about your stay in your sister's house. I mean, I'm not comfortable with it. The expressions, the actions, the last time I visited. I mean, it's obvious they don't want you to be there. You don't expect to hear it from the horse's mouth, or do you?
Tony, please. Let's not talk about my relationship with my sister and her family, please. I am not comfortable with it.
Same way I'm not comfortable with you being there. It's going to affect us, our relationship.
Tony, please. Please, babe, let's talk. Please. I need to leave now. I have to get to the mall to, get some foodstuffs for my sister.
Really?
Yes.
Exactly what I'm complaining about. It's all about them. What about us? I mean, you don't even have time for this relationship. Maybe they're trying to turn into their nanny or something, because I don't understand.
Tony!
Yes.
Why? Please, don't start again, please. I need to take my leave. I need to go.
Oh, okay. Just hold on, okay? Let's just finish our food, then I'll drop you there. But I'm not happy.
Alright, it's fine. Please.
Hey, see, love is beautiful. I tell you, it's so meaningful. Love is everything now. It feels like heaven on earth. It's like once upon a time, there's a king and a queen. Baby, our stories will be told. Everybody's gonna know how much I love you. Love is a beautiful. And love is a wonderful thing. Love is a beautiful thing. Love is a beautiful. Love is a wonderful thing. And love is a wonderful thing. Every day feels like Christmas. Be assured that we'll be your assistants. Anytime you need me, I'm gonna be here. Baby, you're the reason why I the blue guy. What more do I need? I have a queen in you and I'm your king. This love is made in heaven. Nobody can break this bonding. So what do you say about love again? Love is beautiful. It's so beautiful and it's so love is wonderful. Hey, love is a beautiful.
Maybe they're trying to turn into their nanny or something because I don't understand.
Tommy,
Yes.
why?
Honestly, I don't know why you've insisted on going. Hey, okay, fine, where are you going to? And why are you really going? What's the problem?
I need a change of environment. I mean, I need some time alone to clear my head.
And this is exactly why I am worried. Sis, have you forgotten why you came to my house in the first place? You came here so you'll be around people. Sis, you know how it is. I am scared of you slipping into depression. Therefore, you need to be around people all the time. At least you have people you can talk to or lean on when you need a shoulder to lean on.
It's fine. Don't worry. I promise to take good care of myself.
Fine. If you say so, because I see there's no need arguing with you. It's pointless. When you're ready, let me know so I will drop you off at the park. Though I am not happy. I'll be in my room when you're done calling me, okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, I know. The truth is that I'm going to send you like millions. No. The last time I said to you, I know what's happening. You're still going in me, I'll pay you that. I'll get on. Let's go. I'll call you back. Ndidi. How are you?
I'm fine.
You know, I've begged and begged and begged for you to stay back, but you refused. Since you insisted, it's okay. I wish you luck.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for all you guys do for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
It's okay. Just give me a minute, okay? Come in.
Okay, Big sis, really, I don't know why you're going. I'm tired of begging you. I don't know.
Like I said, I need to clear my head.
So you're not clearing your head?
Honey, I have transport.
Oh my God! Wow, this is too much.
No, it's not.
Thank you.
Just manage it, okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay. You okay?
Please, thank you. Let me drop her at the park.
Okay.
Okay, sis.
Alright.
Oh, wait, let me go.
Let's do it.
Let me please.
Don't worry.
Sis, I'm your younger sister. Allow me, please. Come on. What is wrong with you?
Thank you. Come.
Honey,
Yeah, babe.
I'll miss you.
And I'll miss you too. But it's just a 3-day trip. Before you know it, I'll be back. Is there anything you need?
I don't need anything. I just need you to come back in 3 days as you promised.
I will. Okay?
You promise?
Yes. I need to run along now. I'm behind schedule already.
No problems.
You drop me up to the airport.
Of course I'll drop you.
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
See, love is beautiful. I tell you, it's so meaningful. Love is everything now. It feels like heaven on earth. It's like once upon a time, there's a king and a queen.
Let's go. Rebecca, are you not done?
Almost done.
Open the car, open the car. Rebecca, please take care of the shop and monitor that stupid manager of ours. Okay? Good.
Only what a perfect description of your manager.
And you won't understand how that man has really sucked the company dry. You know, the employees of these days, they're really funny.
Else.
Let's go. Okay. Take care.
What more do I need? I have a queen in you and I'm your king. This love is made in heaven. Nobody can break this bonding. So what do you say about love again? Love is a beautiful, it's so beautiful, and it's so love is a wonderful. Hey, love is a beautiful thing.
Baby, you don't know how much I miss you.
Oh, come on. It's just a short business trip.
What you don't know is that a day without you in my life seems like eternity.
Same here. But you know, I just have to go and work for our future and the future of our children. Yes, I really know how you feel about this whole thing, okay? So what do I get for you when coming back?
Yourself. All I want is you. It's you. You. Come back with you.
Can you ever get enough of me?
Hell no. Till the last breath in me.
It's okay. I love you so much.
Oh, baby, I love you more.
You're my angelic wife.
And you are my angelic husband. My baby.
Easy.
My baby.
Oh,
Who?
it's Mama. Yeah.
Mama. Oh.
Hello.
How are you? No, I'm fine. I'm managing. No, I go.
But you're not sounding like who is hungry.
If we go back at night. How are you people? How are my grandchildren?
They're all missing you. They're fine.
I miss them more. In fact, that's the reason I called. I would like to be coming to your house in the next 3 days. Let me come to the city and see them.
Okay. I'm traveling now. Maybe when I come back, then I'll come and see you.
Amakanu. Hey, that's so good. How about my beautiful daughter-in-law?
Yeah, she's saying hi to you.
Mama, good afternoon.
So you are there. You are there. How are you, my darling? I miss you. I miss all of you. I miss you. I've been meaning to call you, but since you're here now, let me tell you the reason I called. I want to come to the city in 3 days' time. I want to come particularly on our market day, so that I'll be able to buy you, small things, some more green there, no more green there. You know what I mean? I know you love manoras. I will buy it for you. That is why it's good for me to come on our market day, so that I will here what is there all those things. Oh. I will call her. I'm going to save trip. Oh, I'm going to save journey. But don't worry. Oh.
Okay, Mama, bye.
Hi. Wow. Maka will be a grandmother. What is a grandmother?
Love is beautiful.
Hi.
Yeah, she's fine. She said,
Love is everything. It's like once upon a time.
Honey, I'm running out of time.
Taking the shortest.
Baby, our stories will be told.
Hello, ma.
Hello, Emeka.
Ma?
Yeah, please come to my room. Come now, eh?
Okay, ma, I'm coming right away.
Sorry.
Madam, you sounded urgent on the phone. What's wrong with you, ma?
I'm not feeling fine. Please, help me check the wardrobe. Inside it, you see my purse. Bring it so you can help me get some drugs.
Okay. I'm sorry, ma. Ma, what I saw there is just the walking. I'm sorry, ma.
Take, go to that pharmacy.
She promised to come and pick me up from the park. Why is she cutting my call? I'm Nigerian, nobody I before never mama Nama Rosa. So I now go and look for people to carry me to that house. Hi. Now I want to go. Oh. I'm not going to be able to solve this. Eh?
Madam, I got the drugs, ma.
Okay. Ah,
Sorry.
did you bring water?
Water?
Sure. Give me the drugs according to the dosage. They told you how to take it, right?
Yes, ma.
Give me according to the dosage.
Okay. I'm sorry, ma.
Thank you. Thank you. Let me keep them on the table.
I'm sorry.
Nika,
Ma.
please let me check the wardrobe. There is a balm there. Bring it so you can massage me with it. Let me see if I'll feel better to pick up the kids from school.
Okay. Alright.
Very fine.
Nicholas. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
How is work?
Oh, we're managing, as you can see. So how is everyone in the village?
Mom, we thank God though, apart from hard times, everybody's fine.
My hard times is everywhere. Even in this city, things are very hard.
Look at you. Your trouser is even tight. Your bottle refused to close. Look at your stomach, fat, your chest, busting as if you're a boxer.
But the truth is that it's a good work of your son. He has been taking care of me.
There is no hard time again now. You're already in a good hands and he's taking care of you.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem. We thank God for everything.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So how are they? How is my son and his family?
Yes, everyone is very fine. Though I got traveled.
I know. How about my daughter-in-law? Is she in?
Yes, she's around. Yes.
That's very good.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I brought a lot of chop. You know what I mean by village things, all those fruits. That is why it's very heavy. But I'll float you come and take your own.
Hi, thank you very much.
Are you having me inside?
Yes, my mother's going to. You're welcome.
Is anyone in this house? I'm here!
Nika, easy. Take it easy.
Sorry, madam.
Okay. That place is enough.
Okay.
The ankle.
I'm sorry.
Massage the ankle.
You'll be fine.
Yes. That spot.
Oh, sorry.
That spot.
You'll be fine.
Easy. Nika, easy. Okay. That's enough. Come on, massage my hand.
Okay. Sorry. This place is paining me.
Hold on. It's feeling very stiff. Come up a little. That's it.
Hey!
Mama,
What are you two doing on your... Is that what you two have been doing here? On your matrimonial bed? I've been calling and shouting your name.
Hi.
I've been calling you downstairs. You refuse to answer. Because you were busy enjoying yourself. Only they get hot. With Rob, God easy. How not? I shall come on.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Mama, it's a woman. The boy is married, boy. Hey!
It's all wrong.
What am I going to wrong? What did I see? He removed your clothes. I saw him remove your clothes.
He's using the wrong.
Come here, easy.
He's using this to make it easy for me. Mama, what is he making easy?
Hey!
Mama, you're
on your matrimonial bed.
Mama, what are you talking about? Mama, it's
Come
not.
on. What do you want me to think?
Yeah. Driver, you can keep the change, yeah? Get it back.
Hey, Mama, this is not what is happening.
No wonder you were busy cutting my calls. Because you want to satisfy your useless lust.
You're getting it.
You are leaving my hand up. I shall come. Shut up.
What?
What are you explaining?
What?
Nah.
Sweetheart.
Thank God you came back on time. This idiot, this your useless wife, was doing it with your houseboy.
Sorry, excuse me. Doing what?
Honey, she wants to look at the rub there, making it to make it easier. Her clothes were even removed. She just put it down now.
He was just helping me to massage my leg and arm. I am not feeling fine. See the drugs he bought for me.
Oh, he was actually touching you.
Honey, it's not true.
So am I a liar?
He's just helping me massage. I'm not feeling fine.
Me a liar. At this age, I'm lying.
Mama,
So you're calling my mother a liar? Are you mad? Oh! Emeka was actually fondling with you under my nose.
Yes!
it's not
I've
true.
been doing it.
He was just helping me massage.
What's the difference? Massage and doing. Oh, what can they go honey? Yes!
Honey, that's not
Emeka is using rope to
Doing it! Well, they were doing it.
my God.
Mama, this is not what.
Are you calling my mother a liar? Are you mad? You stupid? Where is that for?
Massage and doing it. What's the difference? Massage, what kind of way? The one they make what kind of way? I was you. You know your bed. My shame.
I suspect say madam and that boy because they do something.
Something like what?
Like all those concrete things. Like having an affair.
Do you know what? You were a devil. You were a demon! I should have known all this while. The handwriting was written without their unusual fondlings.
My dear, this is like, why is you? Hello, sir.
Hello. I want to say, please, I'm sorry for the way I treated you. Okay? Please, I want you to come back and start your work again. Because we'll be traveling. Please forgive me. Believe me, I need you now. And my kids need you more.
It's okay, sir. I am so happy to hear from you. I will be coming back immediately. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Okay, sir. Bye.
Finally, my dream has come true! Hey! Jesus, you love me too much.
Too much, excess love. Oh. Hey!
Hey, me. Come here.
Ma.
You know you work too hard. And you've been working since today, right?
Yes, ma.
Did you later watch those clues?
Yes, I did, ma.
And you weed the compound?
Yes, ma. And I trimmed the flowers, ma.
Emeka, you are too hardworking. And that is what we love about you in this house.
Thank you very much, ma.
Keep it up, okay?
Thank you, ma.
I'm sure you've not eaten. Don't even answer that one. Here. Eat.
Hey. Thank you very much, ma. God bless you.
You're welcome. And where are you going to?
Ma, I want to go and eat over there.
Are you scared of the dining?
No, ma.
My friend, sit down and eat. Dining is meant for eating.
Thank you very much, ma.
You're welcome.
Ma, this is just food.
What?
Thank you, ma.
Don't eat. Be asking me questions.
Thank you very much, ma.
Emeka, eat. You've greeted me like 20 times today. Again.
Huh?
Take it easy.
I'm sorry.
Hey, stop cracking me up. Emeka, take it easy. Eat it! Edith!
Ma!
What were you doing?
Sorry,
You were sleeping. No need. That's all you do in this house. Ah, sweetheart.
How are you? Wow.
Fine, baby.
Wow, see enjoyment.
Welcome, sir.
Come. Sir, you're enjoying, right?
This boy.
Wow. See, madam and boy.
Please, this boy works too hard.
Wow.
He deserves it. He deserves it. You need to see everything he did today.
That's right. So how are you?
I'm fine.
How was the day?
It was beautiful.
Love is beautiful. I tell you, it's so meaningful. Love is everything now. It feels like heaven on earth. It's like once upon a time, there's a king and a queen. Baby, our stories will be told. Everybody's gonna know how much I love you.
Madam, welcome, ma. Ma?
How are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Leave this one. I hope dinner is ready.
Yes, ma.
Okay. Call the makeup.
Okay.
Welcome, ma. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Why are you locking up?
No, I just...
Well, I got you a surprise.
Surprise?
Open the bag.
Huh? Ma, these are men wears, ma.
I'm supposed to buy ladies wear for you, right?
For me?
My friend, take it. It's all yours.
For me? Oh my God! Thank you very much, ma. God bless you.
What are you
Thank
doing?
so Hey, thank you very much, ma. Thank you
My
so
friend, what are
much.
you doing? Check out your clothes.
God bless you so much, ma.
You're welcome.
Fine.
Madam, thank you.
Now listen, as long as you're with us, you have to dress well. I don't want to see you in these rags anymore, okay?
Thank you so
Emeka, will you stop?
God bless you.
What is this one doing? My friend, stand up. What is wrong with
No,
you?
I can't stay.
Stand up. Take your clothes inside.
Hey, thank you,
You're welcome.
It's so fine.
Edith. Edith.
Ma?
Get me water. Drinking water, cold one, okay? You don't need much to believe. You don't need to have first. I'm finished for the last card. You don't have your card in everything. I don't want to say it. Last card.
Baby.
How is it?
Good. How you doing?
I'm good.
Okay. How are you? Bring down the things from the top.
kind of thing wey madam and this boy they do so? Eh? And Oga is so blind. He can't even see. Come, Emeka. I hope you don't intend to take my position in this house. Because you cannot. I will not allow you to take my position in this house. You cannot do. So you want to come here now, you want to start shining madam so that you will take over, you will be in charge of this house. You cannot do. You see this house? I have come to stay. You cannot take my position in this house. If you like, do that thing with madam. Hey! Madam is so shameless. Married woman. Hey! If you don't follow, you cannot trust me in this house. You see this house? I have come to stay. Can you believe? This woman is so shameless. As for you, Emeka, I need to do something about this. Because you cannot take my position in this house. It's not possible.
How are you?
Fine. Oga,
What is it?
you get wetin dey bother me. I say make I tell you.
Okay. Let it out. More ears.
Oga, no vex o. No be say I dey gossip o. People say you be good man. You don help me well. So I no go fit allow bad thing to happen to you at all. Not when I dey this house.
My friend, go straight to the point. Let me hear it.
Oga, I dey suspect say madam and that boy because they do something.
Something like what?
Like all those concrete things. Like having an affair.
Do you know what? You were a devil. You were a demon! They sent you to come and destroy my home, right? No, you're being sent to destroy my home, right? You have the guts. You have the effrontery to stand before me to talk some stupid things about my wife. Are you mad? You know what? Pack your things and leave my house now.
No face.
Go in there, pack your things and leave this house. I don't want to go physical. This house.
I beg you, I won't go. Where to go. I beg.
Get out!
Hey, see, love is beautiful. I tell you.
I came to see my children.
Hey! Get out! Come on, get out! Hey!
Nicholas, allow me to see my children. They are my children.
They are not your children.
They are my children.
I don't ever want to see you here again.
I want to see my children. Why won't I see my children? What kind of wickedness is this?
I feel like
Nicholas, if you want to kill me, kill me.
now, eh?
Kill me, they are my children.
See, I don't ever want to
They are my kids.
Alone.
Nicholas, I carried them for 9 months. I carried them for 9 months. They are my children. They are my children. Why would you let me see my children? Why would you let me see my children? Why would you let me see my children? Let me see my kids. This is not fair. They are my children.